Welcome to this deep dive into Azure AI Speech, Microsoft's comprehensive speech service that enables your applications to hear and speak in over 140 languages. In this video, we'll cover all 5 core capabilities: speech to text, text to speech, speech translation, speaker recognition, and intent recognition. So what is Azure AI Speech? It's a cloud-based AI service offering over 400 neural voices, real-time and batch processing modes, and even on-premises deployment via Docker containers for compliance-sensitive environments. It's the same technology that powers Microsoft Teams captions, Cortana, and Xbox voice commands. Let's start with speech-to-text, the most widely used capability. Real-time recognition streams audio from a microphone or file and returns transcription results with partial hypotheses as the user speaks, with latency under 300 milliseconds. Batch transcription handles large audio files, MP3, WAV, OGG, up to 1 gigabyte, processed asynchronously. This is perfect for call center recordings and meeting archives. Speaker diarization automatically identifies and labels different speakers in a conversation, returning speaker 1 and speaker 2 tags in the transcript. And custom speech lets you fine-tune the model with your own audio and transcripts to improve accuracy for domain-specific vocabulary, like medical, legal, or technical terms. Now let's talk about text-to-speech, and this is truly impressive. Azure offers over 400 neural voices across 140 languages. The voices sound remarkably natural, not robotic. You can choose from expressive styles like cheerful, sad, angry, newscast, or customer service, and apply different styles to individual sentences. SSML, speech synthesis markup language, gives you precise control over pitch, rate, volume, pauses, and pronunciation. And if you need a specific person's voice, custom neural voice lets you record 300 or more sentences and train a voice clone, with the person's consent, of course. Speech translation is where Azure AI Speech becomes a real-time interpreter. You can translate spoken audio to text in another language simultaneously, supporting over 30 target languages. By chaining speech to text, translation, and text translation together, you create a full speech-to-speech pipeline, a real-time spoken language interpreter. This is exactly what powers multilingual captions in Microsoft Teams meetings. Speaker recognition adds a biometric layer to your applications. Speaker verification checks if the current speaker matches an enrolled voice profile, returning an accept or reject decision with a confidence score. Speaker identification goes further. It identifies which of up to 50 enrolled speakers is currently talking. Banks use this for voice-based customer authentication, eliminating the need for PINs over the phone. Where is Azure AI Speech used in practice? Call centers transcribe 100% of customer calls, detect sentiment, and identify compliance issues automatically. Accessibility tools provide real-time captions for deaf and hard-of-hearing users in meetings and live events. Voice assistants built on Azure Bot Service use wake word detection, speech-to-text, and speech-to-translation in a seamless pipeline. E-learning platforms generate natural narration in 140 languages using neural TTS. And clinical documentation systems allow doctors to dictate notes in real time, with custom speech trained on medical vocabulary achieving over 99% accuracy. Getting started is the same as other Azure AI services. Create a free account, provision a speech resource in the Azure portal, grab your key and region, and install the SDK with pip install azure.cognitiveservices.speech. Azure AI Speech is the complete audio intelligence platform. Whether you're building a vSpot, a call analytics system, or a multilingual meeting tool, it has everything you need. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Expert of AI for more Azure AI deep dives, and I'll see you in the next one.